in uniform, PNP, Bureau of Fire Protection, BGMP, Coast Guard. You have ladies man, no? Diba? Who else? Just to have the prices will be of course sponsored by our Debonair Councilor Catre, and the other macho Konsehal Aldonza, who will sponsor the search for the beautiful ladies in uniform, diba? Diba? Sino may in charge na to? Lenny, would you be in a position to have that as the culmination of our Women's Month, diba? Iapasukan. Palitaw, well, I attended the General Assembly of the Surigao City Employees Association last Saturday, just to give me an insight of how you value your association, because the association is the basis for the grant of the collective negotiation bonus annually on December. We cannot just disregard that you have your association. Precisely the reason why we have a General Assembly to air your support to this association. And I was really not happy because there were only a few who attended the General Assembly. Again, I would like to emphasize this, that this is not just a matter of compliance. This is a matter that you yourselves as members of the association, it is just like a labor organization. In the private sector, we have the labor unions. In the government, you have labor associations, because you are being granted the constitutional right to organize yourselves into an association for purposes of negotiation with management. And the management is, of course, the head of the unit, the city mayor. So I rather would have it that Marlo Gorgonio, the president, the re-elected president of the Surigao City Employees Association, take the forefront of making sure that you can meet, if not quarterly, at least the General Assembly should be attended by more than 50% of what we have as members of that association. And I really would like also to congratulate the Surigao City Employees Multipurpose Cooperative. They have re-elected Roslyn Merlin as the president, diba? A board of directors. Who's the president? Marlo Gorgonio is still the president. And for 20 years, they have already existed, and as reported in the time that they have to report their financial statements, the assets of the multi-purpose cooperative has already reached 15 million pesos. Congratulations to the Susimpuco for having that for 20 years. I started, of course, that a cooperative for the Employees Association, and it has helped a lot of the members. The maximum loanable amount, 14% ba? Per annum? 14% per annum interest. The maximum that you can secure a loan is 250,000 pesos. Now, if you go to the bank, nobody would ever give you that privilege of securing a loan of 250 at a rate of only 14% annually. So congratulations to these two groups, and I look forward that this will be perpetuated in a manner that this can benefit the members of the association and the cooperative. This is my message to you in preparation for all of us to celebrate Holy Week next week. It just really ending up the quarter, and we look forward that our celebration for the Holy Week will be meaningful in the light that we value so much these activities. Again, to each and every one of you who are here today, thank you so much for the Bureau of Fire Protection and for your sponsorship today. And God bless to each and everyone, and always to God is the glory.